Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to enable smart features and personalization in your Gmail app, making your email experience more efficient and tailored to your needs. Smart features in Gmail can help you manage your inbox with automatic email filtering, smart replies, predictive writing suggestions, and even reminders for important emails. These tools use your data to deliver a more personalized and productive experience. So let's get started on how to turn them on. First, open the Gmail app on your device. Once you're in, look for the menu icon, those three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on it to open the side menu. Now scroll down until you see the settings option and tap on it. You'll see a list of your email accounts. Select the account where you want to enable smart features and personalization. Once you're inside your account settings, scroll down until you find the section labeled Smart Features and Personalization. This is where you can control how Gmail uses your data to offer features like Smart Compose, Smart Reply, automatic categorization, and more. To enable these features, simply check the box next to Smart Features and Personalization. You might see a brief explanation of what these features do and how your data is used. If you agree and want to take advantage of these helpful tools, confirm your choice. That's it. With Smart Features and Personalization turned on, Gmail can now help you sort emails into categories, suggest quick replies, remind you about important messages, and even show summary cards for things like package tracking or travel updates. You'll also benefit from assistive writing suggestions and intelligent search, making it easier to find what you need and respond faster. If you ever change your mind, you can follow these same steps to turn smart features off at any time. This gives you full control over your Gmail experience and privacy. Thanks for watching.